Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Betty Crocker Super Moist Devil's Food cake mix, and then we're going to cook it. You see what it looks like. So this is the box right here, the packaging. It's fairly heavy, so it's got a lot of content inside. So let's see what is inside this box. So there are 2 packs. Look like there are 2 packs inside here. So this one here a bit sticky, so we're going to open it later to see what is inside this silver package. And here is the cake mix, this chocolate cake mix. So it's got here Devil's Food cake on the package. So let's take it out and we're going to cut it. Okay, I'm going to mix it, this cake using the instruction provided on the box right here. Okay, this package here is chocolate frost, so we will leave this one to last. Okay, I'm going to get a bowl and we're going to put the cake mix in. Alright, next we're going to put oil or butter, so that's your choice. 125 grams. I'm going to make sure I get all the oil or the butter out. Alright, next we're going to get some egg. Now the package said that we need 3 large eggs. These are small eggs, so I'm going to use 4 instead of 3. Alright, 4 eggs. Okay, I'm going to use this hand mixer to mix it up. Now on the package, it says that we're going to mix it on low speed for 30 seconds, and after that on medium speed for another 2 minutes. So I'm going to put on low speed. I'm just going to give it a stir first to make sure it is kind of mixed up first. I don't want it to make a big mess when we turn this one on. So I'm going to try it on number 1. Yep, it's going to make a big mess. So I'm going to stir it up first, just so that it can become creamy. Okay guys, so after getting it out of the oven, now we need to let it cool down for around 10 minutes. Now I have left it down cool down for around 20 minutes. Now I'm going to cut this package. It's the chocolate froth right here. As you can see, it's a chocolate froth. So I'm going to cut it open and we're going to squeeze it on. Wonder if you can just kind of like cut a small hole in and squeeze it on. Okay, so here it is. It's looking really good. Now, I don't know why in the center it bulged up a little bit. So I just want to try to squeeze it out. Squeeze out chocolate. Okay, so I'm just going to put the chocolate out. There's still quite a bit in here. So I'm going to get it down like this. Okay, so I'm getting it down like this. Push it towards this end. Okay, try to get it out. Still a fair bit more. So spread it evenly around the cakes, guys. So there's still some left in here. So I'm going to push it all the way up. Make sure we get it all out. Okay, some more here. It's gonna come out. So let's zoom out in so you can see what it looks like. So that's the chocolate right there. Okay, now we're just gonna spread out the chocolates around the cakes. Here we are. So for this part, it's up to your creativity. So here I'm just gonna spread it out evenly with a spoon. You might do it differently. So there it is. Looks really nice. It's fairly heavy. It's a heavy cake. And there it is. So this one here is the Super Moist Devil's Food from Betty Crocker's. So there it is. You can decorate the way how you want it. Lots of chocolates. Lots and lots of chocolates in this spoon. I'm going to get it out as much as I can. And that's it, guys. Here it is.